Welcome back, guys. This is Cody Ducato. Sorry it's been so long. I know it's been a while. Anyway, we're starting a new game. I don't know about the old game. We may not go back to it. I'm still thinking about that. Anyway, we're starting a new game. We're starting WWE 2K17. Thank you for the waiting. I'm sorry you had to wait so long. But anyway, we're going to get started. We're going to start with the universe. So, we're going to start with Raw. Now, I know there's a lot of things here, but we'll do that as we go on. Hang on, guys. There's something fuzzy about this. Sorry about that. Anyway, you know there's a lot of people I know. Anyway, sorry. Okay, so this is alright, we're just gonna change this. A 101, and we're gonna play as Randy Orton versus Roman Reigns.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring. From Pensacola, Florida, weighing in at 265 pounds,
Here comes a man, Roman Reigns, who can match power with almost any superstar on the roster.
That's right. This is going to be a dogfight, Cole, that's for sure.
Looking ready to battle here on Monday Night Raw.
and approaching the ring. From St. Louis, Missouri, weighing in at 250 pounds, the Viper, Randy Orton.
The Viper looks focused and ready to strike here tonight.
Yeah, and every single win is so important here in the WWE. You can bet that Randy Orton has his sights on a victory.
Of all the superstars on the roster, this guy is among the hardest working. That goes without saying.
Alright, are you guys ready, ladies and gentlemen? Roman Reigns versus the Viper, Randy Orton.
What a night we have in store for you. Thank you for joining us. I'm Michael Cole alongside Jerry the King Lawler on what should be an amazing night of action.
And I don't know which match I'm looking forward to the most, Michael, but what I do know is that we're just moments away from kicking this thing off. Right out of the gate, we got a huge match. Heck, every match tonight is huge.
How about we touch on Randy Orton a bit?
Reversal by Orton.
He looks a bit off his game here, but not for a second do I expect him to back down now.
But hey, by the sounds of it, this crowd is ready for anything that happens tonight.
If there was ever a man born to be a WWE superstar, it was the guy standing in the squared circle today, Randy Orton.